Hentai hose. Wow.
Richter.
Oh, this is doubles.
Whoa. Whoa.
My man's tag is Joker when he plays Ness.
Richter.
I really don't know how to commentate doubles, but I'll try.
Commentating doubles is trash. You just talk. Alright, so we got game one. We got Omar and KingJoker versus, I know the Wii Fit.
Descolae.
Yeah, I'm not even going to type pronounce that. Wait, who is the Richter? Wait, that's Marcel?
Yeah.
Why is that his
you got
tag?
someone to team with him.
Why is his tag Hentai Hooks?
I mean, I'm not surprised.
People really are stealing my tags and making them worse. It's crazy. Alright, so... Oh, now it makes sense. We have two of the most like non-interactive characters in the game.
Yeah. I'm surprised they're like even going here. Like it's Ness and Cloud, you don't have to...
But then again, because it's doubles and this game is a mess, like, you're gonna get thrown in the head. It's like being in a bar fight.
Dubs in this game is kind of ass because you can't like pass anything off.
No,
like,
can't volley. No coordinated stuff. Like whenever I
people
talk,
just stop flying before you can get anything off.
Yeah. Like whenever I tell people I like Smash Bros. Doubles more, they're like, oh, because they got rid of Cloud. I'm like, I played Wario in doubles. Like
I like Smash Bros.
Like the stuff you can do with Wario. Oh, alright, that's Marcel's game. I mean, stock. I think he died to that mine, which is like really hard to see. From
See, why is Joker going off stage now when he literally just let the Descolae guy on for free? Like he stood there and Descolae just got on the stage, and then he rolled back and he gave fire or something. And it's like, at least be consistent if you're going to be dumb.
Alright. Yeah, I can't speak on what's going on here. It's just a mess. Honestly.
This is just, yeah.
Alright,
KingKamina really died.
Yeah. But they are in a lead against Omar and Volker, so.
Didn't Omar and them beat C3PO and Dubs at Lunar Showdown?
C3PO's trash.
Yeah. Kamina does the same thing
over
and over. He does the same sequence of moves.
It's literally like the same cycle of items. And whenever he'll have a close set with somebody, then he'll lose and he'll be like, oh, this dude's buns. I should have won that. Oh my god. And I'm like myself. Like,
he's really nowhere near them.
Yeah,
and just throwing out this.
Stuff.
Yeah.
I keep telling him, like, if you actually like thought like actively during your sets, you'd be doing so much better than you are now.
Why do you not get up attack?
Alright, you got something off. Like why are you throwing
really just throwing stuff,
your death percent? Alright, this is looking like yellow team's gonna win this game.
Somehow.
Pretty solidly. Back throw. Oh, finish it. There we go. Alright, that's out of it. Oh, he hold himself. Okay, Omar. I said I'm not done yet.
I mean, Gunner probably can't box, so he just got hit.
Alright, F smash doesn't kill it. Joke, you have to finish this.
Why did you let Richter back on stage from that far away?
I forgot what character it was. Alright, that is partner.
The team kill, yeah.
That's alright. It's like when Goku held Raditz.
They're really not doing a good job of dealing with Gunner hanging back.
No, honestly,
he was like
hold on. This character's actually mad enough. Like, me and Bunk had to fight against lose me Gunner. And like, it's bad enough that New Jersey like does not play the game with you. Then you have Blue. Literally, as soon as you come there, it's like when you're playing a Super Mario 64 and you're trying to catch a Kiki after he steals your hat, he just runs away. And he's just shooting mines, not that one, but like he shoots like this little like holding mine that like you can barely see. And it's doubles.
I think Kamina's done more damage to his teammate. Because the teammate had 3 stocks, Kamina took 1, and then he just died now.
Like, yeah.
That was
like, exactly.
I didn't see that.
So when you're playing and you're just getting hit, you're like, what the hell is going on?
Hey, Rich, the thing just flashed off again.
Yeah, it's on. It's just,
well, it says like it comes up and then it says HDMI 1. So.
Is the thing not insecurely? Oh. Alright, Battlefield. What team is taking? Oh yeah, Cloud, right.
How much like thought goes into picking the stage list? Or are they just kind of like, let's go to whatever stage we can just hit people? Because I feel like you have like Cloud, and then he's switching to Wika Trainer, which is smart because Ness couldn't do much in that matchup, but it's like...
I don't know, for me personally, I hate Battlefield on the stage because there's no space to wait. And like...
I don't like Battlefield because I feel like the top tiers get so much off of it, like Wolf and Palutena and stuff, and then it's like really hard to just like reset stuff.
And like what you were saying earlier about how like this game is a lot, or doubles in this game is a lot more chaotic. And then when you're in such close proximity to your opponent, it's just like, yo, like there's too much going on.
It feels like it's harder in this game to section people off in dubs. Sure. Like you don't see like individual interactions happening, you just kind of see like stuff going on. Yeah, you're just kind of pressing buttons.
It's like you're playing, and then when you try to get someone to hit in the corner, someone just gets rocketed to your side. It's just like, oh.
I guess I can't do anything because like there's 2 of them on stage and there's 2 of them off stage, but it doesn't feel like 2 separate interactions.
Yeah. Like just like I said, it's like a bar brawl. It's like there's a fight going on, and someone bumps into you, and he's part of the fight too. Take this.
See, Marcel ran in towards the Cloud and then ran back off and went for the Wii Fit Trainer. Like, and now they're both off stage. I don't understand like how these interactions are unfolding to get them in this situation.
I don't try and like rationalize it.
I'm probably thinking early. Too much,
yeah, you know, no. This early, because they're not thinking about it. They're just doing stuff.
Nice tech. And we have Gunner on the ledge, running back and forth. Now he's off stage. He almost died to that.
Oh my god. That could have been tragic. Take this! Killed himself.
How'd he get all the way up there?
Alright, he says it's on. No! He should have forward aired, yeah.
This game is so much closer, and it's weird.
Yeah, the stage.
Yeah. Alright, so yellow team has the entire stage now. Let's see what they do. Okay, they let Cloud back on. They let Wii Fit Trainer back on.
I was about to say that's the
and now they're in the corner.
I've ever seen Marcel be patient at the ledge. Good rolling.
Why is Marcel dash attacking his partner? Like
that.
this. And then he F smashes me. He doesn't do anything.
This might go to game 3.
Yeah.
Yo, hit Cloud, bro. Like I'm saying, help your partner. Do you see how his partner is just getting bukake and
Yeah, and then he's just sure. Oh.
if he loses, I'm like, alright, never mind. Hold up.
Okay, what's he going to do?
There,
He's going to do that, and then he was going to F
Yo,
smash.
can I get a finish with clutch? Oh, did he hit him out of a jump? Game 3. Just because he's an idiot.
Blood is
You're giving him too much credit.
Let's go, Omar. Omar from The Wire. I would recommend people in the stream to watch it, but it's absolutely not in their like circle of taste whatsoever to watch the show.
All right, they're going to go to town. I feel
Are we gonna get another character switch? Is Marcel gonna pick Crom and get edge guarded
Don't do that.
at nothing? And I'll laugh at him.
They really went to town.
Wow.
Wow. That's
Like she
crazy.
recalled it.
I have the low tier mindset. Maybe they're going to get to town.
How he's wearing a shirt with a thunderstorm.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, alright, they went the Lilac Cruise.
Wait, they did? Oh, I got you.
Stage is trash. Which one is 2? So I can mute myself. Oh, it's like
You know what's actually a good stage list is the one Collision ran. It had Battlefield, FD, Smashville, PS2, Town as starters, and then only only Unova as a counter pick. Because that's no Lilat and no Kalos.
I would have moved Smashville as a starter. I mean, as a counter pick because I'm biased and I hate Smashville, but that's just me.
I mean,
all the bad stages aren't on there, so that's good. Alright, so no solid lead so far, but in round 1s like this, no team really has a lead. People just die.
yeah, like, I was half expecting Marcel to just not make it back there. Just like go off the stage and just die.
He really killed his teammate. I could never team with Marcel because he would hit me, get mad, and then I'd be like, yo,
How did they both die?
I'm actually throwing a fair one. And do what? Fourth in his basement. Like what? Like,
Why is Cloud letting people down? That's like that. Even if it's not dubs, like you can just ignore Marcel and just try and juggle like Mii Gunner. Because what's Mii Gunner gonna do to get down? They don't really have any like Palutena Nair type stuff.
all right, there we go. Yeah. What? Throw the button. Why did he throw fair and there is nothing? Like it's Victor. He really can't contest because if he presses a button to try and like knock you off, that's like time he's wasting, not drifting towards the ledge and using the whip to come back.
If they get 6 stocks, I'll be disappointed.
Oh my god, I didn't even look at the stock count. Dang.
They're really about to get 6 stocks.
Barely won the set. No, barely lost game 2, and now they're getting freaking dicked off.
There we go. Yeah, they won game 1 because they had the Ness. And, like, Ness
Right.
doesn't do much against, like, Mii Gunner and stuff. Well, he could have done, like, down here. I don't know. I don't feel like Ness is that good at dubs in this game. Just because there's too much going on to, like, do zoning stuff.
I feel like if Ness plays support and his partner does whatever. I don't know. Keep in mind, like, I don't feel like their characters, we're not there yet where characters can't do anything yet, especially with the match that we're watching right now. This is all player stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, no, the freaking screen is spazzing right now.
Yeah, it's like really impossible for us to watch because it'll turn black and then it'll have.
Or I
like,
think it
the
was
signal
because
up.
I'm moving. I don't know.
It drops like the input or something. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pass.
Alright, good stuff, the blue team.
Now that was a great
Switching
workout.
characters and realizing that the other team was kind of just mashing. And because they're on like a big stage, game one, they can kind of just run away, do their thing, and just let those little like mines just come annoy them. But it's like, alright, battle.